this Saturday morning. I'm Craig Melvin alongside Chanel Jones. Dylan Dreyer is here. Stephanie Wu enjoying the morning off. What about that jump?
And what a great storyline, redemption, you know. Dylan, how about a check of the weather?
Okay, moving on to some storms, right? Let's talk about some stormy weather back through the Midwest and moving into the Great Lakes region. We had some heavier storms move through Chicago and St. Louis last night. Now the heaviest of the rain moving into Indiana, western Kentucky, moving across Columbus, Ohio. We are going to see this slowly spread eastward, but back behind it, it clears out so nicely. So the rest of the plains and the upper Midwest enjoying a nice day today. But we are going to see these storms continue to move eastward, but it takes all day to do so. We're not looking at widespread severe storms, although we could see some isolated large hail, especially down through West Texas. We could see some golf ball sized hail on the backside of that system. Then on Sunday, the storms try to move eastward. Now, at first, it was looking like we'd see some much needed rain to help with the extreme drought conditions up and down the East Coast. Now we're not looking at so much rain. Isolated storms, they could produce some heavier downpours, but we're not looking for a total washout throughout the day on Sunday. You can see in the next 3 days, we're really only looking about an inch or so of rain. Albany could get a little bit more, closer to about 1.5 inches. Again, that will be on Sunday. Let's look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek out your window.
Because I almost didn't do it.
Because then you see the camera come up. You know what? I don't need somebody to get up for me. I don't need to go in the front of the line because I'm exercising, I can walk, I'm totally capable of everything, but it's really credit for.
So because you ended up getting a seat each time,
every
right?
time.
It just
and when I tried to cut the line, I was trying to cut lines for a taxi line and stuff. Everybody said, sure, go ahead.
No, why?
All right.
So you don't have to stand, I guess?
I guess. I just kept saying my feet really hurt.
You know what else it does when you're on a flight and it's right, they turn the lights on, you can't get up. There was, I know the light is on, but let her go.
She's pregnant.
So they'll let you do that.
Bathroom's an exception too.
Let's talk about this weather here because it would appear as if winter is coming. You like the
That's a little, winter's a little much.
I just wanted to work in the Game of Thrones.
All right, I don't watch it, so. Sorry. Winter is eventually coming, that's for sure. But we are going to see actually warmer than average temperatures over the next couple of days, moving first into the Plain States, then into the Northeast. So it's slightly above average. St. Louis about 82 today, Nashville 85 degrees, Syracuse up to 81. That's 10 degrees above average for this time of year. On Sunday, it's still warm. Fort Worth 93, Nashville 86, Minneapolis up to 82. That's 12 above average. Even Philadelphia will be close to 90 degrees by Sunday. Then as we go into next week, look at this. Nashville gets into the 90s. Philadelphia close to 90 by Tuesday. Raleigh up near 90. Jackson, Mississippi in the low to mid 90s. So it is certainly going to be warm as we go into next week. But today it's a little bit cooler, especially in the Northeast, especially this morning where we've lost the humidity, but we're waiting for this cold front to move in. And this is bringing storms to the Midwest and the Great Lakes today. Some isolated severe storms, especially across West Texas. And then that will make for some rain up and down the East Coast, scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Let's look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek out your window.